Getting back to Andrea's trip to the grocery store at noon today, we don't really have to panic about a lot of stuff around here. This is the winter weather impact schedule, or let's just say index here. We have low impact potential for snow, really no problems here with ice, cold air, power outages, travel impacts. Yeah, there could be a few slick spots on some bridges, especially in the northern areas tomorrow evening and tomorrow night as temperatures cool, but this is going to be a pretty minuscule event, it would appear. So at this point, the best chance for any accumulation, probably north of 82. The closer and closer you get towards Tupelo, maybe a better shot up in here. We're advertising a coating maybe up to an inch of snow, perhaps a little bit more on grassy surfaces or some trees if we get a quick burst of those big, fat, wet snowflakes, which tend to happen on the backside of some of this rain, this cold rain as it moves on through this time of year. So here's Futurecast at 3 o'clock in the afternoon tomorrow. We're taking the pavement temperature and Futurecast and combining it here. So notice how these temperatures are still well above freezing on the road surfaces into early tomorrow evening. And yes, there could be some big fat snowflakes or some sleet around across North Mississippi, but no major travel impacts are expected during the evening, at least on the road surfaces. Now, bridges could be a little bit different because the cold air can swipe on underneath those bridges and cool the surfaces down of those bridge decks a little bit. So later on in the night, we could have some issues there, especially in the north where we do see some frozen precip. But in general, the road surface temperatures don't look to be at critical levels here to support widespread travel issues here. So tonight and tomorrow morning, we are looking at cold rain developing, falling temperatures. And as we get into late tomorrow into tomorrow evening, a chance for some of that wintry weather. So we start out tomorrow about 49 degrees. Some of you a little bit cooler, cooling on down into the 30s as we go throughout the course of the day. A raw day with winds from the north at about 10 to 20. So enjoy the upper 60s right now. That front will move on through. We'll see that rain and maybe some wintry weather develop on the back side of it. So by midnight, the front will be slicing on through the area, and we'll have the northerly winds take over. Notice the showers during the morning hours into the afternoon, so a good chunk of the day will be rain. And then as we get cold enough in some spots late in the day, a chance for some of that wintry weather. All of this is done by the time we wake up on Wednesday morning. Here's your AccuWeather 7-day forecast. So falling temperatures tomorrow, much brighter Wednesday, not too bad Thursday. Another chance for some showers there Friday. The weekend's looking okay at this point. Another chance for some rain.